Hi guys, Dr. Bunsel here at Elite MD. We are here with Hiba. Hiba is only 1 day post-operatively from her hair restoration procedure. She actually drove herself in today and she has taken no pain meds after her Elite hair graft. Hiba, can you describe to the audience what was the pain that made you want to get this procedure done and why Elite MD?
Well, I honestly, the pain, it did not hurt. I did feel, honestly the worst part of it was when they were giving me the anesthesia, but I have not taken any pain medication. The reason why I chose you guys is because of you. You personally got this done. You believe in this, and
Awesome.
Why not?
Awesome. Thank you. Well, one of the things we want to share is that most places are doing the procedure with the linear scar or the scar technique that requires sutures, staples, and now with the new advanced techniques, we use the smart graft technology. We also have the NeoGraft technology. There's really not a reason to need that, and the recovery, less pain, faster recovery is so much better with the newer technology. So all we ask is you do your homework, get educated out there. If you're going to get hair restoration, both men and female are getting it done. My mother, my father, myself, we've all had it done. So I'd love for you to come by and get a consultation.